All right, I'm trying to use the embetter Python package, in particular the ClipEncoder with Marimo. And I have found I need to install Jupyter for Marimo to see the ClipEncoder class. Let me show you. Here I am in an empty directory. I'm going to do uv init, uv add embetter expert, uv add Marimo recommended. And uv add pillow, because that was required, I noticed. All right, let's source that virtual environment, env, then activate. And let's create a Marimo notebook. Marimo edit, Marimo notebook 1.py. Let me bring that over. All right, so now from embetter, notice it does find that multi. I'm going to import ClipEncoder. Oh, excellent. So it finds it in the autocomplete. So ClipEncoder, let's go ahead and try to load that. There we go. All right, that's typically what I get. Module not found. There is no embetter sentence TFM as far as I know. And we can look over here. So it's embetter 090, Marimo 020.4. All right, so let's just Control C out of this. Let's do uv add Jupyter. And let's just fire that back up. And we'll run it again. And now it works just because I installed Jupyter. So something, I'm not exactly sure what's going on. But if anyone has any ideas, I'd love to hear them. Thanks very much.